In today's video we're going to show you on how to fix the brother printing problem. Let's get started. Solution. Perform a printer head cleaning. Wait until the cleaning is done. If this method won't work for you, see the video description for another method. Cleaning complete. Now let's try to print. What is the reason why most of printers won't print properly? There are multiple causes for this issue. Blocked nozzles, dust accumulation, dried ink accumulation, and you are not using your printer regularly.
Problem solved. Thank you for watching.
I'm Jackson.